In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to TurboTax. To get started, log into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the correct account before making any changes, especially if you've created more than one account in the past. Once you're signed in, you should land on the tax homepage, which is the main dashboard where you can access your return and account tools. From the tax homepage, scroll down until you find the resources section. This area includes helpful account and support options, so if you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling slowly until it appears on the page. Under the My Account section, click the option that says Change User ID, Email, or Password. Even though this wording mentions sign-in details, this is also where TurboTax lets you manage other account information, including your phone number. At this point, you may be asked to sign in to your Intuit account again. If that happens, go ahead and complete the sign-in process. This extra step is normal and is there to help protect your account information before any personal details are updated. Once you're in, open either the Sign In and Security section or the Personal Information section, depending on the version of the account settings page you see. The layout can vary a little, but both sections are commonly used to manage contact details and account security settings. Next, look for the phone number field and click Edit. This will allow you to update the number currently associated with your account, or add one if there isn't already a number listed there. Now enter your new phone number carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the number before moving on, since this contact detail may be used for account verification, sign-in security, or important notifications related to your TurboTax account. If prompted, verify the phone number using the code sent to your device. Simply wait for the code to arrive, enter it into the verification field, and continue. If you don't receive the code right away, give it a moment and make sure your device has signal and can receive text messages. After that, save your changes. Then take a moment to confirm that your updated phone number now appears correctly in your account settings. This final check helps make sure the update was successful and that your information is current. Thanks for watching.